See what she did? They're like closing her so it lifts. Oh, annoying. Oh, here they go.
You can take pictures underneath the water, like remember how Billy's camera did that?
Yeah.
This is a machine, it's a cheese machine.
The left hand should start first.
Different fruits and vegetables.
Now the igniter will go on. You hear the engine rev up fast. Hear it? When it was up to that point, that didn't rev anywhere, the air from the cabin was actually pushing it. Probably gonna wait to start that engine so he saves on fuel. Got a good seat, you know. Stretch your legs out of there.
I know. I'm very excited about that person, but oh man, I'm in the back. You like sitting back in the plane?
Well, I booked it on purpose because engine there. If the engines are on the wing, then I can probably put myself as far as it all depends on where I am for video YouTube. This is one of the 8 flights for this summer. So what we're going to do, we're going to taxi that way, we're going to turn left, and then we'll take off that way. I always fly Delta to try to build up the miles. I haven't paid for any trip yet, but you know, before I was flying different airlines, this whatever had the best price, but Delta's been having the best price, so I figured just stay with Delta for now on. Build up the miles, maybe get a first class upgrade.
I got that going to Hartford, it was really nice.
You got first class? Flew on this plane too? Flew on this plane? Where do you come from?
Straight from Tampa.
To Atlanta?
No, to Hartford.
Well, so was it the seating 3x3?
No.
319?
I was, all I saw was the beginning.
Well, I want to go to the University of North Dakota or Embry-Riddle. If that doesn't work out, then the Air Force will move you out. But you have to go in there for 10 years. See, return left, I do it.
That looks like a label plane.
Let me see where.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, come to the flight deck. Wish to welcome right aboard 1932 Atlanta. We got a little bit of an air traffic control delay. You're probably wondering why we're going so slow. It's only a short one. It's about 50 minutes when we get back to the gate and go into it. But right now, they want to have us airborne by 68, so we've got about another 7 or 8 minutes to have the airborne. Flight time today to Atlanta is 1 hour 46 minutes. Back enjoy the flight. Flight time is great. Captain Report.
It said that there's other airplanes that have to stop before us.
Just started.
Another airplane.
Just started this. Look.
Oh yeah, I just started. Yeah.
Oh, I forgot to buy gum. You want any gum? I forgot to buy some.
Yeah, I do.